Hey everyone and welcome back. So today we are going to unbox the 1/24 scale diecast model of the Porsche 918 Spyder by Bburago, and let's get started with the video. So the quality of the model is really nice. It is well built and the paint finish is also really nice. So yes, a big thumbs up to the quality of the model. Talking about the detailing of the model, this model is really nicely detailed in terms of interior and exterior, but the only issue with the model is the steerable front wheels. They come back to the original position, so that is not good. But the overall model is really nice if we consider it in terms of detailing. So yes, a big thumbs up to the detailing of the model. So talking about this model is an overall package of detailing and quality, and I have bought this model from an offline store of Automania. And if you have yet not followed me on Instagram, then do follow me on Instagram on _RPM_Redlines for daily updates. And let's get back to the video. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye. Take care.